Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashuduma Sutam. The JSE closed up by 0.4% on 29,774 points. We spoke to Hein Kruger from Kruger International looking at Pick and Pay.
It's impossible to know what the ACC is going to do, and it's. I think Gareth's got they've got their ducks in a row there. They've already set up the alternative strategy, so they know what to do if they don't get the favourable decision from the ACC. But he sounds quite convinced that they might be able to change their minds. And look, they've been a while in that market. They know the market and they know what goes on. I think the big thing there was that Coles and Woolworths outpriced him out of the market.
The NSE's all-share index gained today to end the day up 1.83% on 24,206 points. We spoke to Femi Oladeyan from BGL looking at the CBN.
I think to a large extent the central bank's move is probably something that had been expected by the market. The reality is that the currency has been getting quite a lot of support from the central bank in the last year, and that has seen significant depletions in reserve numbers. And it is obvious that what is required to solve the Naira problems isn't just artificial propping, but what we've got to see is significant changes in monetary levels.
The Nairobi Stock Exchange's main 20 share index ended the day 0.2% lower to close at 4,611 points. We spoke to Henry Chege from ABC Capital looking at Equity Bank.
As indeed, for you to understand Equity, you need to understand their model. I mean, their strategy to spread out the Comesa region just as it was in the papers today, and taking into account that Equity has been the retail bank of choice. So I think this model resonates quite well with the investors in the stock market. Now, you also need to balance that fundamental aspect with also the speculation aspect of it that comes into the market.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.